Hello everyone, how you doing? Not going to keep you long today. We're going to make an egg feta cheese pasta salad. Let's take a look at the ingredients. So I've got some pasta here. Now you can use any pasta you want. I'm using penne. Up to you what you want to do, but get it cooked and ready. Hard boiled eggs, I've got 5 there. Some feta cheese, mayonnaise, cucumber, onion and bell peppers. We're going to add a little bit of salt, tiny amount of salt actually, and some black pepper. That's about it. Let's get moving. Okay, so very simple. Mixing bowl, pasta's in. Got my bell peppers there, cut nice and small, using some red and green ones. Bit of cucumber. Some chopped onion there. And my eggs, which I've chopped, in they go. Salt, gonna add salt, but not too much because the cheese that we're using, the feta cheese, is very salty. And then some black pepper. Now, of course, you could be adding in here some olives, a little bit of anchovy, some tomatoes, some celery, you know, something like that, you know, kind of mix it with what you have or what you like. Maybe a bit of fresh parsley or some fresh dill. They can all work. Okie dokie. Now, we're going to grab my knife here. I want to grab this feta cheese and just roughly cut it in. Like I say, this cheese is quite salty, so that's why I'm not adding too much salt at all. Just drying my hand here, or wiping my hand. And finally, some mayonnaise, in that goes. Now I'm not going crazy with the mayonnaise because I don't want it swimming in the mayo. Very simply, give that a mix. See you in a minute. Okay, and there you go. Absolutely wonderful. Super, super easy. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.